President Trump has declared his intent to purchase a Tesla after the company's stock saw a dramatic decline. Critics attribute this drop to CEO Elon Musk, who has become the focus of protests across the nation, further fueling the stock's downward trajectory. Meanwhile, Tesla's leader has been making waves with his decisions, while the newly elected United States President Donald Trump's tariffs threaten Tesla's standing in Europe. With the additional tariffs coming into effect, the US stock market began the week at one of its lowest points in recent years. Technology firms have been hit the hardest, and Tesla appears to be the most vulnerable among them. In recent months, Tesla's sales have been plummeting not just in the US but across Europe and Asia. Many experts argue that President Trump has initiated a trade war, and Musk's alignment with him has intensified Tesla's financial struggles. If you want to stay informed about Tesla's latest developments, be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. However, the rapid depreciation of Tesla's value and its impact on Musk's other ventures suggest that he may regret his political involvement. But did President Trump's tariffs truly contribute to Tesla's decline and by extension to Elon Musk's current predicament? We will analyze the details of the latest economic shifts and global trade conflicts. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to stay updated with our content. US stock indices took a significant hit. Bitcoin slumped and Wall Street's fear index reached its peak level this year due to uncertainties surrounding President Trump's economic policies. The stock market downturn began early in the day, with all three major indices opening in the red. Despite a brief midday rebound, the markets closed in negative territory. The Dow Jones Industrial Average tumbled by 890 points, or just over 2%, at one point dropping more than 1,100 points. The broader S&P 500 declined by nearly 3%, while the Nasdaq Composite, heavily focused on technology, fell by 4%. The sharp drop has erased all the market gains made since the presidential election in November. Investors' concerns primarily stem from the effects of President Trump's tariffs. When asked about the possibility of an impending recession, Trump responded vaguely, stating that the economy was undergoing a transition period due to the magnitude of policy shifts. Tech stocks bore the brunt of the sell-off, dragging the S&P 500 further down and pulling the Nasdaq into correction territory. Tesla, which had been on an upward trajectory following the election, saw its stock value plummet by 15% on Monday. Since the beginning of the year, Tesla's stock has declined by 45%, wiping out the gains achieved since November. The sharp downturn is largely attributed to declining sales in Europe and protests targeting Musk, who has played a significant role in the Trump administration. Tesla's association with Trump has not only angered liberal-leaning consumers, but also rattled investors. Tesla's stock had surged 90% post-election, reaching its peak before Christmas, as investors anticipated Musk and his company to be major beneficiaries of Trump's policies. Musk, who was one of Trump's largest financial backers during the campaign, assumed a pivotal role in the administration, overseeing government spending cuts and extensive layoffs. However, following his ascent to power, Tesla's stock began to drop. In total, the company's shares have lost nearly 40% of their total value since Musk's political involvement intensified. To keep up with these fast-moving changes, like this video and stay tuned for more updates. To keep up with these fast-moving developments, make sure to like this video and stay tuned for more insights. One of the key concerns weighing on Tesla's future is its declining sales. While the European electric vehicle market expanded by 34% in January, Tesla's sales in China plummeted by 50%, marking a concerning trend in its second-largest market. US sales also dipped by 16% between December and January, according to estimates by Cox Automotive. Analysts note that while Tesla's early-year sales typically dip following an end-of-year push, this year's numbers signal a more worrisome pattern. Gordon Johnson, a well-known market analyst, pointed out that Tesla's declining numbers in China are due to growing competition, whereas in Western markets, Musk's political stance has alienated customers. Even among bullish investors, confidence in Tesla's long-term growth is starting to wane. Analysts have revised their forecasts, shifting from a 20 to 30% growth projection for Tesla in 2025 to a more uncertain outlook. The real question now is how much of Tesla's stock decline is tied to Musk's political entanglement rather than pure market forces. Tesla's troubles are further reflected in consumer loyalty trends. A recent report by S&P Global Mobility examined Tesla's repeat purchase rates in Democratic-leaning and Republican-leaning states. In traditionally Democratic states, the percentage of repeat Tesla buyers fell from 72% at the end of 2023 to 65% by early 2024. Meanwhile, Republican-led states saw only a modest increase from 47 to 48% in the same period. This shift has led to Tesla losing a percentage point in key Democratic strongholds like California, one of the largest auto markets in the country. Furthermore, negative sentiments toward Musk have played out in public demonstrations, with videos surfacing of protesters confronting Tesla owners and even instances of vandalism targeting Tesla vehicles. Beyond these reputational concerns, another major factor impacting Tesla is the intensifying US-China trade war. As tensions escalate, there are growing concerns that Beijing may retaliate against Tesla due to Musk's ties with the Trump administration. Despite these challenges, some investors remain hopeful about Tesla's future. The company continues to make advancements in self-driving technology, which Musk claims will revolutionize the transportation industry. Tesla has been pushing for full autonomy, but competitors like Uber and Alphabet's Waymo have already made significant progress in launching commercial self-driving services. Musk has long promised that Tesla will introduce fully autonomous robo-taxis, yet delays and safety concerns have raised doubts about the feasibility of this goal. The broader financial market remains volatile, with Nvidia dropping by 5% and Palantir sliding by 10%. The Fear and Greed Index indicates heightened levels of fear among investors, while Bitcoin dipped to $78,000, its lowest point since November. President Trump's tariff policies continue to create uncertainty, with recently implemented steel and aluminum tariffs fueling inflationary pressures. The S&P 500 posted its worst week since September, reflecting broader economic anxieties. Experts warn that prolonged trade disputes could severely impact economic activity, leading to potential recessions in the coming quarters. Market analysts suggest that the ongoing tariff negotiations may ultimately result in a settlement, but the uncertainty surrounding these policies continues to weigh on investor confidence. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so you don't miss the latest insights on Tesla and the market trends. So what do you think about these developments? Do you believe Tesla can recover from this downturn, or is this a sign of deeper issues? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss an update on this rapidly evolving story.